Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to authorize GitHub access through Claude AI. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to GitHub and go ahead and sign into GitHub as I've done so here. As you can see, I've just signed into GitHub, and once that's done, once you see this dashboard, you can go ahead and sign into Claude AI. So once you're on the Claude webpage, you can go ahead and click on the Customize tab. You can find it here on the left-hand side of your screen. It should be the toolbox icon at the bottom of this column of icons right here. So go ahead and click on Customize and then look for the Connectors tab. So once you're at the Connectors tab, you're going to be able to see any of the connectors you've previously used before. And at the very bottom, you're going to be able to see GitHub integration. So this is a connector that Claude AI itself suggests to you, so you shouldn't really have to go looking for it. Once you see GitHub integration, go ahead and click on Connect. So it's going to redirect you to a web page where it's going to ask you to authorize the connection with GitHub. So because this is my first time connecting GitHub with my Claude account, it no longer showed me that web page. It just went ahead and connected to my GitHub account without any issues. So just go ahead and click on authorize. If you've already signed in on the separate tab, it shouldn't ask you to sign in either. So it's really quick and really easy and really only takes a few clicks. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.